Good morning. This is Dumb Old Dad coming back to you with some more Bitcoin mining. So I thought today I would go over my Minergate contracts again with you so that you can see how much I am making. So over the last day, the price of Bitcoin has actually gone up. So let's take a look here. I go to Coinbase. This is what I use for a wallet, but this is also where I go to track the price of Bitcoin. And right now, it's at $16,000. It's been at $13,000 for several days, and it's right after Christmas. And I've heard people say that right after Christmas that price will go up, and it has. So it's gone up 13%. So if I go back to my Minergate contracts and I go into the one that I put in $583, let's go and see how much that's making. So yesterday, Christmas Day, I didn't have to do anything and my miner was still working. That's the awesome part about Bitcoin mining, is that it works when you aren't working. So I mined $4.29 worth. My maintenance contract was $1.32, which stays the same every single month. And so my income was $2.96. So I do this every time, of course, $2.96, and I add the rest of it on there, times 30 days. So I'm making $89 a month, which isn't as good as I wanted. I want to be at $100 a month, but 2,968,104 times 30, $89 a month, times that by 12. So I'll be making $1,684. And let's see what I put into it. I put in 580 minus 583.98. So that gives me a profit of $484 for the year if everything stays the same. But if you watched my video yesterday, when I go into my dashboard here, it didn't even show that I had $100 in my total mined account. But if you look at it now, it's worth $114. And the reason is because the price of Bitcoin has gone up. So all the Bitcoin that I've mined so far is now worth more. And so even though it's just sitting here in my account and I'm not taking it out, it is gaining interest, or not interest, but it's gaining money because the price of Bitcoin is going up. So I don't mind that it's just sitting there, and because I am now an owner of Bitcoin, and as Bitcoin goes up, that cost or that price goes up as well. So if you'll see here, here's my Bitcoin miner account. I have 4 terahashes, and so it is mining. I've got 3 active workers. The active workers is, I'll go back to my cloud mining, these 3 little contracts here, number 1, 2, and 3. Those are the 3 miners that are working. One of them I paid $10 for, and one of them I accidentally put in at $2.09. So they're making pennies every day, which really isn't worth it. So after doing Minergate, I thought there's got to be miners, cloud mining locations that'll do a better job. So I looked into Hashflare. So I decided to invest in Hashflare and just see what those numbers look like. So that's what I did, and in my next video I will show you what I bought into Hashflare and how that compares with Minergate. And also, I have been doing this wrong. So I've been just doing this Bitminer contract and then calculating what the end of my year looks like, and then that's how much I make. But the real magic of Bitcoin mining is compound interest. So in my next video, I'll show you how you shouldn't just be mining Bitcoin for what it'll make during the year, but you should be mining Bitcoin and reinvesting that back into more computer power. And so at the end of the year, that number looks completely different than just mining, only mining and not reinvesting the money. So I will show that in the next video. So please click and subscribe so that you'll see the next video that I create, and I'll show you what that looks like. and I'll give you tips and tricks about what I've learned about Bitcoin, so that you can learn as we go along. So if you want to play along, put some money in there and watch it grow. Thanks for watching.